In this video, we're going to be working on Shane's truck some more. Trying to get the firewall primed and painted, be ready to start putting everything back together on it. Trying to get ready to put the cab back on the frame. We get some pretty days coming up, pretty spring days coming up. We'll be finishing up the frame, putting everything back together. So. If you're enjoying these videos, enjoying our channel, we really appreciate it. Thanks for joining in with us. Please continue to follow along on this project. Shane's truck, building a C10. Really enjoying this project. Able to work on this with a good friend of mine, Mr. Shane Pruitt. Started this project, not gonna do a frame off restoration. So that's we're doing things a little bit different. The more we do, the more we want to do. But hey, if you're enjoying this, again, thank you for joining in. Please hit that like button. If you're a subscriber, thank you. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and come join along with us. There'll be many more videos to come. We do a little bit of everything. You see the shoebox project sitting over in the background. We got a couple of air-cooled Volkswagens we're going to be working on. Got a lot of plans coming up in the near future. Going to be going to some Volkswagen shows, some big car shows in this area, and just come join along. Thank you very much. As with any project you're working on, restoring old cars, there's going to be a lot of time spent and cleaning parts up, trying to get everything cleaned up, wiped off, and looking bright and shiny and new as much as we possibly can before we put it back on. So it's going to be a slow process.